Notepad++ delete lines with find and replace. Does anyone know how to delete a line using find and replace in Notepad++? In my find query it finds the proper lines OK, $.pref, $. In the replace field, I leave it blank thinking the line should deleted, i.e. replaced with nothing, but the new line and end line characters remain.
Not sure about Notepad++, but you can always do it with Gvim. The command is like this. You can download Gvim here if you don't have it already.
Use the extended setting in the replace window, not regular expression. I'm sure there's a way to do it with regular expression, but using extended works fine. Enter .prev. /or /n in the find what field and leave the replace what field blank. This will include the / or /n characters in the match and delete the whole line.
The general principle whichever editor you're using is that you need to include the new line characters, / or /n assuming Windows line endings, in your search so that they will be included in the replacement and thus removed. In Notepad++ this is made a bit more confusing by the two different search and replace commands. See this wiki page for details. Replacing new lines in Notepad++. I only had an old version of Notepad++ to hand, so had to use extended search, accessed via $R, making sure regular expr was unticked and using $M to insert the new line character into the find field. However, if you make sure you're using Notepad++ 4.9 or later, you should be able to use /R and /N in the regex mode.
You can actually select the new line by moving your cursor from the end of one line to the beginning of the next. Then press Ctrl+H while the new line is selected and replace with nothing. This will delete all the newlines.